You probably don't get recognised too much as your characters, or do you?
Well, not up.
Really?
I live in Dublin at the moment, and not in Dublin much at all. But you go home to Cork, and everyone kind of they're just people at home are so proud of the film to call it their own.
Yeah.
So it's really nice, everyone, and especially when we're together, because the sheer shape of us.
Yeah, it's a silhouette.
We've got
like
that.
they get people, isn't it? Yeah. So people do like we were just on our way here, walking here, and there was just a lad just screaming, like, "Hey!" We looked over, he was like, "Love it, boys, keep it up." But I think it's definitely the shape.
What about the German lady in Cork who stopped you? Like, oh, you're very big in Germany.
Oh yeah.
You were just
out
out
with
with
my
her.
friends, and I was just having a few pints one night, and this woman just kept looking at me. And I was like, "Are you Chris Walley?" And I was like, "Yeah." She's like, "Young offenders, huge in Germany." Yeah. I was like, "Oh,
really?
okay, great."
Okay.
It's weird. It's really nice when they say your name, because most of the time they're just like, "Oh, it's Jock."